Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be planting bare root veronica. These are white and blue. It says there, plant February to May, flowers July to August, perennial for gardeners, patios and planters. 24 inch or 60 centimetres if you're metric. Right, there you go, some nice healthy shoots. Right, there we go. We've got them open, got them out. There's a nice one there, an even better one there. First of all, get some compost in the bottom. And then you want to get your plant in like so. Make sure you've got some nice green shoots sticking out at the top. Make sure you've got the roots buried. This compost is a peat-based compost. It has just 6 weeks feed in it, which is perfect. Yeah, like I said, it has up to 6 weeks feed in it, so it's perfect. That's one done there. Let's do this one now. Here we go. Right, this one's got really long roots, this one, so that's it. About there should do it. Bit of compost around the sides. Once I've done these, they'll go back in the greenhouse because it's still quite cold outside. Everything a head start. Right, that's my veronicas potted up. All I need to do then is give them a good water. Like so. And that's it. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day everybody. Thank you, bye.